Hello. Thanks to COVID-19, the lockdown and quarantine, people are facing lots of problems while they're at home. What are these medical problems that people are facing? They can be classified under three categories. One is people who are COVID positive but have no symptoms. Second is people having COVID-like symptoms. For example, they may have fever, they may have cough, they may have some other GI, some loose motions, vomiting, other problems, and they don't know what to do. And the third category of patients are those who have long-standing problems. For example, they are diabetic, or they have heart disease, or they have blood pressure problems, and they are now stuck at home, not able to access their doctors, and are wondering what they should be doing. So these are the major problems that patients are facing today. What is the answer? What is the solution? The solution is simply this: proper clinical management at home by doctors. That's what I'm saying. Proper management of patients at home by properly qualified doctors. And this is the service that Kitex Health is talking about and is presenting to patients today. What are the components of this service? The first component is that a doctor, a qualified specialist doctor, must consult with the patient over video every day. This is the first thing. Why video? Because it gives us as doctors the ability to take visual inputs about your health condition. So we can actually see whether your face is fine. From your face we can tell what is your health status like. Have you any breathing problems? Do you have any other complication? These things we can check by doing a video call rather than an audio call. The second thing is, with this consultation, we should also be able to prescribe properly so that you can take medications at home. So this is the first service, which is video consultation with a specialist doctor and a proper prescription. The second component is COVID dashboards. What is a COVID dashboard? A COVID dashboard is a healthcare record which is specific to the patient, where we monitor three things. One, your symptoms, which is your history. Number two, we monitor your vitals. Number three, we monitor your blood tests. Why do we do this? The reason is so that we can track your health, and in case there is any complication that is happening, we detect it early and treat it early. This is critical. In case there is a problem, we are able to detect it early. So when you are monitoring in the dashboard, Kitex Health will monitor your symptoms, which are about 20 of those. Some of the symptoms will be like breathlessness, pain chest, loose motions, fever, etc. The second thing that we will monitor is vitals. Vitals will be blood pressure, pulse oximeter, that is your blood oxygen, heart rate, respiratory rate, temperature, etc. So these are very important to monitor daily. Last but not the least, it will also entail some investigations. In case you need to monitor your blood sugar or other blood reports, these will also be put here. Now, this is the second component of the service which Kitex Health provides. Number one is consultation every day. Number two is a COVID specific dashboard which is specific to the patient. We can customize this. And last but not the least, we also provide you with a monitor. Now, this monitor is a ICU grade monitor where we are providing you the ability to do 6 things. Monitor your blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate, blood oxygen, which is pulse oximeter, and also ECG. So these can be placed in the patient's home, and they can regularly monitor your vitals. So 3 components of the service: video consultation, dashboard, and a monitor. This is what Kitex Health is offering to patients today. What are the benefits? Number one, it will help you to get treated at home, to be managed properly at home by professional doctors. Number two, it will reduce your costs. You don't have to run around and get unnecessarily bear expenses in a hospital. Number three, it may prevent you from reaching hospital. Number four, it can also help you to detect your complication early and therefore send you to the hospital. So both things: prevent you from going to the hospital and send you to hospital in time. And last but not the least, it reduces burden on the hospitals. So in case you are interested in this service, please call us on 98105 43523. 98105 43523.